Hello traders, welcome to the pre-market analysis of Nifty 50 for 7th of January 2025. Yes, finally we are back. Just to understand what is happening in the trading world right now, especially in India, India is going through a very monotonous trading session. It was, I guess. It actually touched 24,200, which was basically a breakout point. People got very excited. They were totally bullish in the market and immediately the sell-off started. Immediately, the FII is over for a brief point of time where net buyers became net sellers, just like 2 months back. The idea and the sentiment of the country in financial market in India, again, is bearish. To understand why it is bearish right now, we have to understand three important stuff. First, the idea is profit booking. There is a lot of people who are booking profits here, and that is why a lot of movement, a lot of good trends we are not able to see for a long time. Because there is indecision in the market. There is indecision regarding the financial budget. There is indecision regarding what is happening in USA, bond yields. There is indecision about federal bank rates. A lot of indecisions. And also Asian market. Asian market is giving huge highs and huge lows. Sometimes our Kospi is giving you a huge movement and Nikkei is totally going down. Now, what I'm trying to say here is because of this indecision, there is no confidence in the market. When there is no confidence in the market, there is no one-sided movement. That means market will give you a non-directional movement. But in entire thing that I explain in front of you right now, there is a catch. The catch here is to understand why and how people are making money in a market which is not directional. Are they just gambling? No. These people are not gambling. These people are using important levels. How do you understand important levels? I tell you. Try to understand the important buying zones. Try to understand the important selling zones. Your buying zones will become your support. Your selling zones will become your resistance. Whenever your buying zone will break, your buying zone will become your selling zone and vice versa. This idea will give you numerous amount of profit in this market. No amount of strategies, no amount of indicators, nothing is going to suffice what this price action will. Understand there is no one magical strategy in this market that is going to give you crores of money. There is no particular strategy. There is no one in this world who knows that one strategy that works. There is none. But in order to understand what we can do, people who are learning in the market try to understand the buying zone and the selling zone. Once you understand these zones, you understand where to sell and where to buy. And if the buying zone breaks, where to sell again, right? Always try to match. For example, if currently market is around 23,616, yes, that is correct. Nifty 50 is around that point. Now, you will have to understand what our market, what Nifty 50 did last time when it was around that level. Try to understand the behavior of the market. Once you understand what it did around 23,616 last time, you have some idea about its actions. And when you have some idea about the prices and the actions, you have price action. You know the behavior of the market. No indicator in this world will make you 100% profitable, 50% profitable also. But your idea of price action, your idea of stop losses, where and when it is, will make you profitable in the market. More on this will be discussed further. But for right now, let's understand tomorrow's market. In order to understand tomorrow's market, there are three important stuff. First, important level is 24,000, 23,500. 23,500 was essentially a very important support later on. I think the last month we saw 23,500 to be a very significant support. And we assumed we'll not see it again. But currently market is going to give us a lot of big supports there, and maybe a breakout below 23,500 is going to give us a proper sell side trade. To understand that, just watch your chart, 23,500. If that breaks, next target is 23,300. And if that breaks, there is going to be a 500 to 600 points trade. Also be 1,000 points trade downside, which was basically 4th of June. Last time the market was seen there. So if that is done, agar wo break hota hai to, it is going to be a Christmas for all of you. This is about Indian financial market Nifty 50. Try to understand whatever I said. 3 important levels. 23,616 the market is currently at. 23,500 if the level breaks, you again take a put side trade. And if 23,300 breaks, then hallelujah. And if 23,775, which is going to be your current resistance, it goes up and market goes up and tries to break that as well, wait for your confirmation and again make trade in the bullish side. This zone, which is 23,500 and 23,775, is a no trading zone. Do not trade in this zone, right? Just try to understand whatever I'm trying to say, whatever I'm trying to present here. I think that I have something nice to present here. So yeah, I'm excited for that. Until then, just watch my mundane videos. It is about markets. Thank you so much. May Lord Krishna guide us through. Thank you so much.